always talk about that India's development and all. So if your women is not safe in your country, so what is the need of this kind of development like technology and all?
Yes, yes. 50% population is they are women 50%, but they are not taking proper action.
Yes.
I am Tanya and I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I am a homemaker. If I talk about my hobbies, so my first hobby is watching good movie and good web series also. And my second hobby is right now I am totally focusing on English content, which is available on YouTube, Netflix also. I'm watching some documentary also.
Oh, that's nice. So you are
Yes.
into movies. So did you watch any recent movies?
Yes, I have watched so many good movies. First is Hasin Dilruba Part 2 and
Okay.
Shrikant and Mahi. Yes, I
And
have
did you
watched these
watch
movies.
Stree too?
No, no, I never prefer any horror movie.
Oh, so
Yes,
you scared of this kind of movies?
yes. After Raj, I think Raj Part 2 or Part 3, I'm not confirmed. After that, I never watched any horror movie.
Okay. But I love to
Yes.
watch horror movies, you know. Still, I scare a lot, but I love to watch it.
Every person has their own mindset. But after that movie, I decided I will never watch any horror movie.
Okay.
So today's topic is women's safety and security. So what's your opinion regarding this topic? What do you understand by this, phrase?
Um, I would say that it's very serious and concerning topic, especially nowadays that we are watching and we are listening so many news about, like about the crimes that are happening. Especially if I'll talk about our country, India. So there are so many crimes are happening against women, and the recent news you already know that Kolkata rape and murder case. So
Mm-hmm.
I can say that women are not safe neither at outside nor at home as well, because they are every day they are facing so many kind of like domestic violence also. And if they are going out, so they scared a lot if they have to go alone for any kind of
Mm-hmm.
things, especially if we talk about this incident. So women not are safe in their workplace also, as we think
Yes,
that
yes.
if we will go in a workplace or in company, so that time we will feel safe. but but what we can say that now women are
But
not
sometimes
safe.
people are saying like you are not wearing good clothes. You can say छोटे छोटे कपड़े आपने पहन रखे हैं. That
Mhm.
time they are giving these kind of opinions. But this girl was doctor and she was doing her job.
Yes, yes,
But
she wore a like very respected
yes,
clothes. So what
then
we
how
can give.
can yes, like some people are saying like you are not wearing good clothes, your clothes are not traditional clothes, you can say you should
Mhm.
not wear these kind of skirts.
Yes, yes. So
Yes,
this is all
and
kind of
yeah.
excuses only.
Hmm. Yes, we can't change these criminals mindset.
So okay, so according to you, what we can do to prevent this kind of crimes?
I think first we should implement some Indian law, because Indian law there are so many clauses, but they are not strict regarding
Hmm.
these kind of criminal activities. After Nirbhaya case, we were thinking, okay, now the government will take strict action, but that case has taken, I think, 7 years for the
8 years,
verdict,
yeah. Hmm.
7 or 8 years for the verdict. And yesterday there was a case, Ajmer case. It is a very famous case. You can Google it. After
Hmm.
32 years, they had given verdict,
Oh my God.
and it is also related with the girl's dignity. This case is related,
Hmm.
and it is a very famous case of India.
So that's why this kind of crimes are happening, and crimes are happening, increasing day by day, because of in India we have no such kind of strict law. They have taken eight
Hmm.
years to give for
Yes,
Nirbhaya case.
exactly. And 32 years of Ajmer case.
Ajmer case.
Yes,
So what we
it
can.
is a very famous case of India.
Hmm.
Yes. If they are taking so many years, then how can we expect they will give, judgment in a, you can say, how can the victim parents can justice?
Hmm. Yes, people are doing this kind of protest, and they are doing like they are doing protest against this kind of crime. But what happens? Accused are roaming here and there, and you are not giving any kind of punishment to them. So,
Yes.
so
I
how
think
we can.
they should make some strict laws regarding these kind of criminal activities because day by day it is increasing.
Hmm.
And in the Maharashtra, there is a particular place, I forget the name, I think Dharavi. Yes. Two
Okay.
girls in the school, they were molested by the school staff.
Yes, when you will see the newspaper and this kind of news, so on every single page you will find this kind of case only, rape case and murder case against
Yes.
women.
Because they
Because
are not afraid by the Indian laws. They know, okay, they will take, I think, 8 years, 9 years. And if they are not, able to collect the
evidence.
evidences, after that,
Hmm.
I can get bail.
Hmm. That's the
They
reason.
have this kind of mindset. And if you have money power, political power, then nobody can harm you, these culprits.
Yes, exactly. You are right. So that's why I think government should take strict action against this. But still, we can just only say this thing. But it's all up to them that why they are not taking action. Like in this case
Yes.
only, like it's about one week, I guess, right? But
Yes, yes,
still,
yes.
there is no verdict against this. Like they
And
already
there
know
is
the.
no, yes,
They
there is
already
no
know
privacy.
accused.
They are not following any privacy. Also, they have leaked the name also that girl and photograph also. It is
Hmm.
not good.
Yes, when I read this news and I was scrolling reels and all. So when you see same like one reels, so you will get a suggestion of the same reels.
Hmm.
So I think I
Yes.
watched around like 8 to 10 reels on the same things, and that
Mm-hmm.
night I didn't sleep whole night. I was just thinking again and again on the same thing, like what happened and about their like autopsy report, whatever had been written on that. So literally, you won't believe I didn't sleep whole night. I was just thinking and thinking like what we can do.
It is very horrible, really.
Hmm.
Okay, like you have already done your job in Noida and Delhi. What was your experience that time?
So
Because in
yes.
2016 there was a case of Nirbhaya case in December 2016.
Hmm.
That time you were living, I think, Noida.
So I went there in 2019.
Okay, after 3 years. Okay. Hmm.
Yes, so
Yes.
I already knew that yes, Delhi is not safe place, but my work location is was in Delhi, so I had to shift there anyhow. So yeah, you can say it was my compulsion. So I went there. But one of my relatives lives there. So firstly, I went there, but I had to live in PG alone
Hmm.
uh, because my relative's place is very far from my workplace. So that's why. And I was doing commute by my own, like by public
Hmm.
transport. So every
Hmm.
time, whenever I was going and coming back to my home, so that time I was on call with some of my friends, sometimes my family members. That yes, I'm coming home alone, so they
Hmm.
are with me. So because of this kind of things, we already know. And that time I was coming back around 8 to 9 p.m. Uh,
Hmm.
from my office, and sometimes we had
Hmm.
to work in night shift as well. But
Then
what we
how
can
you
do?
manage in the night time? How you manage? How did you
So
manage?
in night time, my company was providing cab facility to women.
Hmm.
And if and every time, like what can I say, colleagues were different. And
Hmm.
if I am the only woman and other are like male, so one of the guard will come with us in the night shift. So they were doing this kind of safety measure for women. Yeah, still in
Mm,
workplace there are so many laws and act against this. Like we have to complete one what can I say, one training, post training. You must have heard
mhm,
about this. So yeah, there are very strict law against this kind of like in
mhm,
workplace also, but I don't think that it is really working out, because still people are facing this kind of challenges now.
yes. And what should there are so many gadgets right now. So what's your opinion? Some girls are putting like red chili powder in their bags,
Mhm.
handbags, and some are insert there is a device. It is called alarm device. Yes, personal alarm device.
Mhm.
So what's your opinion regarding these methodology? What's your opinion?
So I would say that it is necessary, because nowadays we can't get help from the government only. So some of the
Mm-hmm,
things in our hand also that we can do to prevent this kind of incident, because at
mm-hmm,
the time you can't do anything. Even you can't call anybody yet. Like we have so
hmm.
many applications also, and the emergency number of like 1090,
Do
I
you
guess.
think really emergency number work? Do you think?
If somebody will if somebody will catch you and you don't, why they will give you the chance to call anybody else at the time?
Yes, yes.
So I
So
just think
sometimes
that.
I'm thinking this, emergency number, it is not, a good method. We can't, they will attack you, and after that, I think you can't get time to make that call.
Yeah, in some of the case it is good that somebody is just molesting you and harassing you, so that time you can call, if you have time at that time, so
Do
you
you
can
think
call.
martial arts should be compulsory in every school? Martial art
Martial
training like
art
judo,
training.
karate.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes, I think so. It
it
should
should
be
be
mandatory.
compulsory.
Yes.
Yes. Nowadays, it is really needed in our society.
Yes, because at least we can do something to prevent us from this kind of incident. That time, if you know already that this kind of karate and self defense techniques, so that we
Mhm.
can prevent us. Otherwise,
Yes.
if we will leave all the things on government only, so I don't know when our India will be come
And
first on
in
women's
our
safety.
purse, I think we should have always pen, because in emergency time you can use your pen as a weapon,
Hmm. Yes,
and a
yes, yes.
small scissor also you can have. You can have in your bag.
But why only women to do all such things? Why people don't make boys to understand each and everything? Because they have also
Because Indian
sister
society is male dominated society.
patriarchy.
Yes,
Yes,
this is the reason.
but I think we should make boys to understand each and everything from the young age, like how to respect women, how to respect her sisters and mother and all. They already
Hmm.
have their mother and sister, but still they don't even think for a single second that how women
Hmm.
will feel.
Hmm. When I was, I think 4 years ago, I was in my hometown.
Hmm.
I booked a cab. It is a very renowned cab company.
Hmm.
So that person was saying I think Indica, yes, Desire, yes, Swift Desire, but the number plate was changed. Okay, then I said, okay, this is not the same car which I had booked. Then that
Hmm.
driver they was saying, ma'am, you should cancel the ride. I will uh, where you want to go. I will
Hmm.
drop you. But I said, no, I have registered that cab. I will go with that cab. Because that time in Delhi, NCR, there were so many cab drivers, doing some wrong activity with the females.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
That was the reason. Sometimes they are making excuses. I will take only 100 rupees and I will drop you. I think we should never book that kind of, um these kind of vehicles.
Yes,
Sometimes they
yes.
are doing this. They are saying,
Hmm.
okay, you should cancel this and I will drop you at your place in 100 rupees, 50 rupees. These kind of
Yes. I have also
excuses they
come
are
across
making.
from
Yes.
yeah. Yes, I have also seen that kind of incident.
And if you are going alone, so right now there are so many apps, you should share your location
Hmm.
with your parents, with your siblings. You should share.
Yes. Yeah, we can
These
share
are
live
the safety
location.
measures we can apply in our daily life.
Yes.
But
Yeah,
I
this
think
is. Mhm.
beside all these things, government should take harsh action. They should, change some laws.
Yes, first thing, if they will do this kind of thing, we always talk about that India's development and all. So if your women is not safe in your country, so what is the need of this kind of development like technology and all?
Yes, yes. 50% population is there are women 50%, but they are not taking proper action.
Yes, so
Yes.
that's the
So if
reason.
we are applying these kind of techniques, I think we can say we are safe.
Yes, at least we can try each and everything that we can do by our own. And yes, some of the things are in government hands also. If they will take strict action, they will do this kind of strict law, so that
Yes.
we can do this kind of safety for women.
This is the only way they can do.
Yeah.